Hello and welcome back to WITSOL English Tense series. In this series, we are going to learn English tenses in a very easy and innovative way. हमेशा हमें tenses बहुत difficult लगते हैं, but with this series, you'll be able to understand tenses in a very easy way. So let's start our lecture 10. In this lecture 10, we are going to study about the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to describe actions that will be in progress at the specific time in the future. Future में एक specific time पे जो actions हो रहे होंगे उनके बारे में discuss करने के लिए we use the future continuous tense. So let's see what's going to be today's goal in this video. After watching this video, you'll be able to use will be with first form of verb and ing correctly and describe future ongoing actions easily and form affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences. Also, you'll be able to use proper time expressions for future tense. Alright, let's see what's the future continuous tense. Hota kya future continuous tense? The future continuous tense shows that an action will be in progress at a certain future time. Future में एक खास वक्त पर कोई action जो continued होगा उसके बारे में हम बताते हैं. For example, I will be studying at 8 p.m. today. I is a subject. Will be is telling that it's in the future. बी का मतलब है एक्शन हो रहा होगा मुकम्मल नहीं होगा will be studying first form of verb with ing at 8 p.m. tonight. Let's see another example. She will be working when you call. Also, they will be traveling next week as well. Let's see something that's very specific for future continuous tense. For future continuous tense, it focuses on duration or continuity of future actions. तो हम ये इस बात पर फोकस करते हैं कि कितने ड्यूरेशन के लिए है या कौन सा एक्शन कॉन्टिन्यूड है. So let's see some structures of simple, negative as well as interrogative sentences and practice those structures with the help of some examples. Starting with affirmative sentences that are also called positive or simple sentences. So the structure is subject followed by will be and then first form of verb with ing always and object. Let's see some examples. I will be watching TV at 9 p.m. He will be driving to Karachi tomorrow morning. They will be working late night tonight. We will be waiting for you at the station. So, about negative sentences, let's see the structure. It starts with subject, followed by will not be, and then verb first form ing and object. So, let's see some examples. I won't be attending the meeting tomorrow. She will not be sleeping when you arrive. They won't be working this weekend. He won't be studying at 10 p.m. This was the negative sentences. Negative sentences में will not be को हम contraction won't be के साथ भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So let's see what's the structure and practice some examples of interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences question sentences को कहते हैं. Question sentences में हमेशा auxiliary verb हम sentence के start में ले जाते हैं. So starting with will followed by subject, be, and then first form of verb with ing and then object. Let's see some examples. Will you be coming tomorrow? Will she be working at that time? Will they be staying at your house? And will he be studying at 9 p.m.? If we want to add WH words like what, where, when, who, so the sentence would become, what will you be doing tomorrow? Or, for example, where will she be going? These were some examples of interrogative sentences. Let's talk about auxiliary verbs that are used in future continuous tense. So what are the auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs used are will and be. Both are used collectively. Will indicates the future time and be shows the continuous aspect. अब will से हमें ये तो पता चल जाएगा कि future की बात हो रही है, but be का इस्तेमाल हमें बताएगा action अभी continued है. So let's see some examples. She will be waiting for you. We will be celebrating tonight. So, there are some common time expressions for future continuous tense. कौन से time expressions future continuous tense में हम use कर सकते हैं? For example, tomorrow, next week or next month, at this time tomorrow, or in the evening or in the morning, then when and while. Let's see some examples. At 9 a.m. tomorrow, I'll be traveling. They will be sleeping when you reach home. So, let's see something that's a bit difficult to understand. Difference between future indefinite and future continuous tense. Indefinite में कौन से actions describe करते हैं और future continuous में कौन से होते हैं, and how to identify that. So in future indefinite, it describes future actions simply. Simply जो actions future में होंगे उनको describe करता है. फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस वो एक्शंस डिस्क्राइब करता है जो प्रोग्रेशन में होंगे, जो कॉन्टिन्यूड एक्शंस होंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई विल कॉल यू टुमारो. और अगर इसको फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस में देखें, आई विल बी कॉलिंग यू टुमारो एट 8 p.m. लेट्स सी what's the focus on future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense में focus is action itself. The focus is on the action. Whereas in the future continuous tense, the focus is on time and continuity. कि action continued है और किस time duration के लिए या किस time पर continued है, that's the point of focus. That was all for future continuous tense. Our next lecture is going to be future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is used for describing actions that will be completed before a certain time in future. एक certain time से पहले जो actions खत्म हो गए होंगे future में, उनको describe करने के लिए we use future perfect tense. तो future perfect tense को study करने के लिए stay tuned with WITSOL.